transitive relation. So, let A be any set, and R be a relation on A, then if and only if A1 comma A2 element of R and B1 if and only if A comma B element of R and B comma C element of R implies A comma C element of R, then such relations are called transitive relation. Such relations are called transitive relation. So, let us have a look at this with an example. So, let us say I give you this. So, first of all, we will try to understand that with which is not a transitive relation. Then we will see what are transitive. Okay, when you find out that this is not a transitive relation, you automatically concept gets ready for what are transitive relations. So, let us see. So, this is a relation R 1 2 2 comma 3 and 1 comma 1. So, is this relation transitive? In order to see this, it has only 3 ordered pairs. So, let us say this is A, this is B, again this 2 is B, so this is also B, this is C. So, now is 1 3 present in here? 1 3 is not present in this relation. So, R is not transitive. R is not transitive. So, the question is, the relation is, the definition says that if A be element of R and B C element of R and A C should also be element of R, when these happen, then you will call the relation to be transitive. So, it's particularly in this case R is not present, the AC is not present, that is 1 3 is not present. So, because this is AC which is not present, hence this is not transitive. Now, let us understand through many more examples. So, now when these 3 elements are there, you can do like this way, you can easily do by observing it, but when the ordered pairs in a relations are very much, then you have to come up with a proper way, and this is a very new thing I am teaching you. You will not find in NCERT and any other places. I am quite sure that this is going to be first thing you are going to be learning from me. So, let us see what is it. So, if I give you this relation now, let us say take another example, R equals to 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, and 2 comma 3. So, is this relation transitive? Is this relation transitive? Let us see how to do. Now, the trick is you are going to make 3 columns. So, let us say this is in which this is the AB column. So, this is A comma B, and then we will write the B and C column. This is B comma C column, and then let us say that finally we are going to write the CA column, AC column. Okay. So first of all, write all the ordered pairs in AB, because they automatically will become my, so this is 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 2, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, then this is 3 comma 3, then this one is 4 comma 4, this is 1 comma 2, this is 2 comma 1, and then this one is 2 comma 3. Now definitely what you observe now, all the first elements now becomes the B, right? So we'll have to write this. All the first element becomes of the first element of all the second element of AB, they become the first element for BC. So I will write all of them, 1, 2, 3, then 4, then 2, then 1, then 3. So okay, now 1 C. So what would be the, what is there 1, what now, what are different ordered pairs you have that is starting with 1? Let's see, I have 1 1 is there, so I'll write here 1 1, no problem. What other ordered pair is that is starting with 1? I can see 1 2 is there, so write it. So this is the another one. Let it be redundant, let it be many, no problem, okay, because that will not change the transitive relation, okay, so no problem, write it. So next what other elements, what other ordered pairs that is starting with 2? I can see 2 2 is there, so write 2 2, no problem. What else is there? 2 1 is there. What else is there? 2 3 is there. So that's why keep some space for this side, okay. So then you come to 3, so 3 3 is only there, 4 4 is only there, then 2 1, what other is starting with 2 1? 2 2 is there. What other relation is starting with 2? 2 3 is there. And 1 1 1 is there, 1 2 is there, and anything else? No. 3, only 3 3 is there, right? So this becomes our BC. Now we will find out for AC. Now again you make one column here, A C. Now the first of this one, this first of this and the second of this will be my AC. So let's see if it is present or there or not. So AC will be now what? AC will be, AC should be 1, and for the first one it should be 1 1. So 1 1, is 1 1 present here? Yes, 1 1 is present in the relation. Then for this one it should be what? 1 and 2. So it should be, is 1 2 present in the relation? Yes, 1 2 is present in the relation. Very good. Now for the next line, so first is 2, for the first case it is 2, and this is 2. So let us write it. So 2 comma 2 is present. Yes, it is present in the relation. The next one is 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1. Yes, it is present. Is 2 comma 1 present? Yes, 2 comma 1 is present. Then the third one is 2 comma 3. Is 2 comma 3 present? 2 comma 3. Yes, it is present. 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 is present. Very good. Till now everything is fine. Now let us see the next 3 3. So in this case AC will be what? In this case AC will be 3 and 3. So is 3 3 present here? Yes. So in this case it would be 3 comma 3. Is 3 3 present? Yes, 3 3 is present. Very good. Next is 4 comma 4. Yes, 4 comma 4 is also present. Now let us come to this one. 2 comma 1. So in this case AC would be 1 and 1. So let me write here 1 comma 1. Is 1 comma 1 present? 1 comma 1. Yes, 1 comma 1 is present. The first one, yeah, 1 comma 1 is present. This is the 1 comma 1. This is present. Okay. Next. Next one would be 1 comma 2, is 1 comma 2 present? 1 comma 2, is it present? Let's see. 1 comma 2, yes, it is present. Very good. Then 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3, is it present? No. 1 comma 3 is not present. So this relation is not transitive. Understand? So it, when it is present, then A, B and BA must, then AC should also, BC must also be, AC should also be present. Then only you will say that this relation is transitive, or else you cannot say it is transitive. So it is, why is it not transitive? Because the law breaks here. The law gets violated because 1 3 is not present in the relation. If 1 3 was present, then it would have been a, then all other ordered pairs are matching, but only this one is not matching. So this is not a transitive relation. So for one ordered pair relation, this is not one ordered pair criteria. The whole transitive the relation get spoiled. Clear? Now let us see the next one. Next question. So by now I hope you have how to solve. Let's take the relation here. I will give you another relation. Let's say R is equal to, let me give you another relation here. R equal to 2 1, 2 comma 1, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3. Let us check, is this relation transitive or not. To check this transitivity, again what are we going to do? We are going to make the 3 columns here, A comma B. So all the ordered pairs, let us write it 2 comma 1, then 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3. Okay, I hope I have written everything. Now let us see BC. BC would be all the first element 1, all the second element of the first column 1 1 2 1 2 3. So now C. So C should be, what other elements is there with 1? What other element is there that is started with 1? So you see nothing is there. No problem, clean it, don't write anything now. As nothing is there, remove it, just give it a dash. Anything for 1 1? No, nothing is starting with 1, so leave it, no problem. Okay, is any relation, any ordered pair that is starting with 1? Yes. Is there starting with 2? Yes. So 2 1. Any other thing that is starting with 2? No. Okay, again nothing is starting with 1, leave it, keep it empty. Then anything, any other relation starting with 1? Yes, 2 1 is there, right? Now any other relation is there which is starting with 3? Yes, there are relations, there are ordered pairs that is starting with 3, that is 3 comma 1 and 3 comma 2, 3 comma 1 and 3 comma 2. These are the two ordered pair that is starting with 3. So now what do you think will be CA? AC. So AC will be, in this case nothing, leave it, in this case nothing, leave it. So in this case AC should be 3 1. Is 3 1 present? Yes, 3 1 is present. In this case leave it. In this case it should be 4 1, right? A is 4 and C is 1, so it should be 4 comma 1, correct? Is 4 1 present? Yes, correct. So you can see this is AB, this is BC and this is AC. So for this ordered pair this relation hold, and for this ordered pair this relation also hold. What about the last one? So 3 1. So 3 1 means 4 1, because A is 4 and B is 3, C is 1. So is 4 1 present? Yes, 4 1 present. So I can write it here. So in the relation 4 1 is present. Next again 4 2 present? Yes, 4 2 is present, so it should be 4 2. So you can see, doesn't matter, all ordered pairs has to follow. Doesn't matter, all ordered pair has to follow the transitive relation criteria, but those which will be present, they must follow the transitive relation condition. If they follow, then that relation is transitive. So here to one thing to conclude, if any relation is there where all the ordered pairs are distinct, that means they do not have their respective BC and CA, we will take that relation to be transitive. But if AB is there, BC is there, but CA is not there, then you will not consider that relation to be transitive. Look at this case here. If 3 1 was not present, let's say, then this relation would have been not transitive. Clear? So in for the first two, only AB is present, BC and AC is not present, no problem. So it's okay. But if 3 2 is present, 2 1 is present, but 3 1 is not present, then this relation would have been taken as not transitive. Understand? So here we are going to write one very important thing I am going to write here. You should know that the only reason when a relation is not transitive is when AB and BC is present, but CA is not present. But CA is, this way also you can understand what I said in just few minutes back, that is also fine. You can understand like this also is not present. Understand? I mean to say that. So here also I said that if 2 1 is there, and if I say write this here 1 3 1 4 maybe, but 4 1 is not, that particular 4 C is not, 4 1 is not present, then that relation would have been not transitive. Clear? Understand? But CA is not present, then the relation is not transitive. Remember that. Also one thing you should example, I will give you one more example which makes these students very confusing. Sometimes you will come across a relations like this 1 2 3 4, let's say 2 4. Is this relation transitive? If you look closely here AB, BA and AC, for none of the ordered pairs hold, still it is a transitive, because the condition is if for one, if AB is present and suddenly BA is also, you are finding it present, then if CA is not present, then that relation will not be transitive. But AB is present but BC is not present, okay, fine, then you will consider that to be transitive. So every relation by itself will be then what you can say, it will be transitive. The thing is this, AB is there, BC is not there and AC is also not there, then you will take that relation to be transitive. I hope I have been able to explain you very thoroughly. This is a very different way I have tried to explain you. Now I am giving you one homework for you to try out. The answer to this relation would be that it is transitive. The relation which I am giving you is now transitive. You try it on your own to do it. So the relation is quite big, so use this approach how I gave you to solve it. That is 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 2 2 2 3 2 4 3 3 3 4 and 4 4. So this relation is transitive. Now you prove it. using the procedure what I have shown you. Okay. Okay then. Next we will do equivalence relation and then go into the NCERT exercises.